Have you ever wondered what the world looks like up close? Beyond what the naked eye can see lies a universe of intricate detail and hidden beauty. Today, we're going to shrink down and explore this unseen world, using nothing but simple household items. Get ready to be amazed, because under the microscope, the ordinary becomes extraordinary. First up, let's take a look at a common kitchen staple salt. At first glance, it's just tiny white crystals. But under the microscope, these crystals reveal themselves to be perfect cubes, glistening with sharp edges and a mesmerizing geometric order. The uniformity is incredible, a testament to the precise way nature creates even the simplest things. Next, let's venture into the bathroom and examine a drop of water. You might expect to see nothing but a clear, featureless blob. However, under magnification, water becomes a bustling ecosystem. Bacteria, algae, and microscopic organisms come into view, each with its own shape and movement. It's a hidden world teeming with life, a microcosm of the larger environment around us. Now, let's move on to something more unexpected, a strand of hair. A single hair might seem like a simple, lifeless thing, but under the microscope, it transforms into a complex structure. You can see the overlapping scales of the cuticle, the outer layer that protects the hair, creating a texture like a delicate pine cone. It's a remarkable example of natural engineering. Finally, let's investigate a piece of fabric. Whether it's cotton, silk, or wool, the threads of fabric reveal a fascinating world. Under the microscope, you can see the individual fibers, their twists and turns, and the way they interlock to create a strong, flexible material. It's a reminder of the craftsmanship and innovation behind the things we often take for granted. So the next time you look at these everyday items, salt, water, hair, or fabric, remember the hidden worlds they hold. A microscope allows us to see beyond the surface, to appreciate the intricate details and the unseen drama that exist all around us. It's a reminder that even in the most ordinary objects, there is extraordinary beauty waiting to be discovered.